We're gathering here today to think about archives. The great big problem here is what to save, how to save it, because there's so many information that I think archives should try to define and redefine their own task. Because what you preserve is writing a story. The workshop is going to gather a number of different people working on archives, and I think it's going to be very interesting to see their reaction, their ideas, their feedback, etc. In front of this beautiful archive we have here at the Norman Foster Foundation. And it's going to be like a discussion, and of course it's going to be about a visit. The discussion will follow, and trying to get different relationships with all different smaller and bigger archives and archive professionals. I think this is going to be quite interesting altogether.